Okay guys, so today we're going to show you how to install the ITG Pro filter. It's just a panel filter, so it's just a direct replacement into the standard box. So you're going to start with a Torx driver, so obviously the same size as these screws here. So you've got one there, one down the back, one on the side there, so it's just a matter of undoing those. And they won't come off because they're on like a, they basically will stay there. You don't need to worry about them falling down anywhere. And then you've got a little where the basically where the wire connects to it. You've just got to pull that up quite tight. And then behind that one is the last screw there. There we have it. So you can see the paper element is quite restrictive. Done its job. And then we've got the new one. So these come pre-oiled, hence why they're in a sealed bag. Very oily. Just clear any debris. That's just going to sit in there as it did with the original one. Just make sure it's tucked in. You'll get a nice. So then it's basically just the reverse of taking it off. Back down. Line your screws up. And that's it guys. So you can get these on our website www.KillAllChrome.com. We'll just get this bit back on. It's very tight. There we go. Also in the box you get your little certificate and obviously your ITG sticker, so you can put that on so next time you get it serviced they're not going to chuck away the filter. Obviously it's going to breathe a lot better now. ITG do claim some brake horsepower figures, but we won't quote exactly what. Obviously if this was a tuned car, you will be benefiting from the extra airflow from that. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, liking, sharing, etc. Till next time.